Have you ever noticed your Godot editor being very slow, and no solution worked for you? On extreme cases like mine, it is even taking several seconds just to open the menus. Well, I just finally found a fix for this. This lag happens starting with Godot 4. It has to do with how the OS deals with handling windows. You might have seen some common fixes for this. Disabling the editor vsync seems to work on normal cases. But that didn't work for me. While the other solution is to just disable multi-window and use the single window mode, just like Godot 3. And while this works, losing the ability to use floating windows, and especially the embedded game window, is not good. So what else can we do about it? And why is this really happening? Well, turns out this problem for me was to do with the tablet driver, which can happen even if you don't have a connected pen tablet. Godot by default uses Auto for the tablet driver, and because I have a Wacom tablet installed, it is using the WinTab driver, and that, for some reason, completely stuns the Godot editor. So, let's just set this tablet driver to dummy, or even WinInk, and restart the editor. And now it is all working. I can open menus with no more delays, make floating windows, and even play the game in embedded mode. That issue that plagued me for so long is now finally solved. Now I always remember to set the tablet driver to dummy for desktop projects. I hope you liked this quick video, and until next time.